So shall we start? Okay. A very good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. I am Gaurav Tripathi, and I will be Sergeant-at-Arms for today's session. I welcome you all to the 75th Toastmasters session of Redis's Soundbites Club. Before starting our today's session, I would like to put some ground rules. So first rule is, please be mindful when you are talking about sex, religion, and politics. Please mute yourself when you are not actively speaking. And please turn on your video so that we can make this session more interactive and lively. But be aware of your background. If you want to use the virtual background feature of Zoom, you can use it. Now, I would like to ask a question to everyone. Today is 12 January, and this day is a special day for India. Do you know why? Yeah,
National Youth Day.
It's a birth date for Jijamata. Jijamata, who's mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So I think we got two answers, and I was aware of the first one. It's a National Youth Day. Thanks, Toastmaster Rakesh, for enlightening us with the other answer. So mainly I want to focus on the first part, is the National Youth Day. So why we celebrate it? India celebrate this day in the remembrance of the birth anniversary of our great leader, Swami Vivekananda. I think most of us already know, right? He is a great monk and philosopher. He was a great monk and philosopher. And he was the key figure in introducing the yoga and Vedanta way to the Western world. I think most of us remember his very famous speech, right? Which begins with the word sisters and brothers of America. In that speech, he introduced Hinduism to all over the world in the Parliament of World's Religion in 1893 in Chicago. In 1984, our Indian government, they decided and declared 12 January as a National Youth Day. To quote from the Government of India's communication, it was felt that the philosophy of Swamiji and the ideals which he worked and lived, for which he worked and lived his life, could be the great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. If you want to explore more about his teachings and the learnings, then you can read his book, a famous book, Lectures from Colombo to Almora. This is a book based on his lectures, which he delivered in Sri Lanka and in India after his return from the West. When we talk about Swamiji, we discover few main qualities of him, right? A better communicator, a very strong leader, and you will find some of his impromptu skills related events over internet also. So this reminds us the mission of our Toastmaster Club too. The mission of our Toastmaster Club is to provide a positive and supportive learning environment in which all the members get the opportunity to develop their communication and leadership skills, which in turn foster self-confidence and personal growth. Now it's time to celebrate our 75th milestone session. And this session is not going to be a regular one where we used to have prepared speeches and evaluations and that kind of flow. We have decided to have a fun session here, fun-filled session. In this, we will be sharing some old moments with all the members and we'll be playing some games. So to officially start our today's session, now I would like to welcome our young dynamic president who always keeps up the motivations high, and she is a fun-loving personality. So please put your hands together to welcome our club president, Toastmaster Simran.
Thank you, Gaurav. Hi all here. Sorry, I am wearing jackets and I was seeing everyone, they are not wearing jackets, they are in half sleeves or something like that. So I'm feeling little jealous. So first of all, congratulations everyone for completing 75th session of Soundbites Club. So congratulations to everyone. So as Gaurav said, it is not a regular session, right? So I just thought why to give a speech in this voice so that it will be like you'll be decoding what Simran said. So I just thought we'll recall what all we did to reach this 75th session. So to start with, I think Prashant sir was the first person, first president of the Soundbites Club Radishes. Then came Darshan sir, then came Chitra ma'am, and then I am there. So it was a really, the time was really good where people came and we gave the speeches, we had the session, we had fun-filled session, we had the contest. I just named the presidents just because I recalled those names only, but I know there are multiple candidates who were for the SAA, for the treasurer, the secretary, and many more, vice president. So yeah, it is like the club has achieved 75th session. It's just because of the people participating. It is just because of the support we have. So it is for that we can give pat to ourselves because we reached till here and it is a really great job that we did. Apart from the office work, the schedules we have, still we try to accommodate ourselves within the session. So that is a really big thing that we do. And especially in our, right now, currently what I see, our SA, Gaurav, putting a lot of efforts organizing for the session, and our new joinees. Again, I can see Harshita actively participating, and many more are there who participates. And I mean, this is what actually it motivates us also to keep this club up and organize these sessions regularly. So thank you for all this. And finally, we are here for the 75th session. And I just want that we enjoy the session and have again this session as a fun-filled one. So happy New Year, starting with year 2022 and celebrating 75th session. So with this, not taking much time, I'll introduce our next Toastmaster who will be presenting the short glimpses he'll himself explain. But I promise that you will not be able to control your laughter. So you don't know, right, from first session till 75th session, what all has happened. So let's have a glimpse of it. I'll call upon our next Toastmaster, Sharath. Again, he is the one who always shows a really high energy for the participation towards the club for any activity. If we want support for anything, he'll be the one to raise his hand. So please welcome Sharath for presenting the video with a big round of applause. We can unmute also.
Yeah, thank you so much, Toastmaster Simran, for the nice introduction, and a very warm good afternoon and happy New Year to one and all. So first of all, I'd like to thank Toastmasters Gaurav and Sudhindra for their contributions in making this video. So this is just a fun video clip. So please enjoy it in the right spirit, especially if you are part of the video. Okay. So without further ado, we can enjoy the fun clip. So let me share the screen and let me know once it is visible and audible. So I hope the screen is visible to everyone.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna play it now.
To proceed with the session, I would like to call upon the Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Darshan. So how do I introduce him? I can tell a lot of things about him, but maybe I'll not embarrass him by telling too many things. So what I would say is, he's a daydreamer, and yeah, I'll let Toastmaster Darshan take on the stage. Thank you. Thanks, Mr. President. It was as if, you know, there's this spiritual guru nowadays, and there's this famous line from him. I just reminded. It's like me calling me on the stage to introduce me, right? It is something like that.
So the me resides in this as me, is residing in all of that as me. So that me, through this me, talking to me.
Not just this session, I have a team of evaluators and tag team, that is the timer, the counter, and the grammarian, who would be watching the kind of words you use, the pauses, and the amount of time you take. The entire exercise is to basically help you improve on your speeches, your stance, your confidence on the stage by providing you feedback on how you can improve. So to help me with this, I have an able team of, like I said, timer, counter, variant. So I would like to call upon the timer, Simran, the tiger.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
The transactional leaders, they motivate and inspire the people whom they lead. The theory is based on that the managers tend to give something to the employees in return of a favor that they need. It posits that the workers, they may not have self-motivation and they cannot work in a structured and directed environment. This leadership style was widely used after the World War II. Three is going to happen.
Right? So, but Madhuri, please get in touch with Adarsh, and Adarsh get in touch with Madhuri for coming on to the meetings regularly from now onwards.
Yeah,
Now-
hi, I'm Madhuri from ANZ Club.
Oh, is it okay? You can still come on to our meeting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's begin our meeting. So to begin with, I would like to ask you one question. What are the core values of this club? Anybody?
ऐसे मत बैठो, मेरा दिल बैठा जा रहा है, कुछ तो बोलो.
Is it?
No more. Anything else?
Hey, that's what written there.
The core values of the club committee, Toastmaster committee. It's respect, integrity, dedication, and excellence. So please make a note of it.
Thank you.
There are a couple of things that Karl Popper mentioned in that speech. So before we can talk about consciousness, he said that we humans are, unlike animals, self-programmed. So the programming that we have within us, that's really our what's within our DNA. Although I've written here as DNS for some reason, is composed of two parts. So the stuff inside DNS can be.
To start with, the first problem I'm going to solve is to solve the coronavirus issue which we have. I definitely like to get out like Chitra to a beach and like Donald Duck play around with the my nephews, which I'm not able to do right now. So maybe after that, I'll get back to the like Chitra on the next morning. I also get back to Libin again with a bald head and proceed my life as it is today. Thank you, Swas.
Oh, everybody is a Goa guy. Thanks, Libin.
Did you say bald head and Chitra? Like Chitra?
I've seen many times that people who come for table topics, they forget to shake the hands of the table topic master. Now, I'm not saying that she would get angry with you if you don't do that. But according to some friends, she is like a fire-breathing dragon. No, wait. Sounds like, oh yeah, fire-breathing dragonfly. Dragonfly, I'm sorry.
It's never too late to start a talk with a new person, to be a confident person. But for you all, can I ask, it's never too late for?
Start the meeting.
Okay, nice answer. It's never too late to start? To achieve anything. Great. It's never too late to? Start. Awesome. Anyone else? It's never too late to? Yes? It's never too late to? Go home. Go home. Okay, great.
मुझे अपने घर
Yes.
जाना है मुझे घर जाना है मुझे अपने घर जाना है
Thank you so much. A warm round of applause to who are featured, especially in the video. I hope everyone had fun, equally that much fun as much as we had while making the video. So now I'd like to take a quick pause here, and then that's the end of the video, by the way. I wanted to check if anyone would like to tell which was their favorite moment from the video.
The one with the Ishita and core values of Toastmasters was my favorite.
Yeah, that has been one of my favorites also. Anybody else?
Yeah, something from my side. If firecracker, dragonfly, something is there, no? If that is mistake, it's okay, cover it. Again, recollecting the correct words by saying in the paper, that is fun.
Yeah, it was funny, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, thanks, Arshita, for that. And thank you, Adarsh, for that moment.
I have one, Sharad. So there was one table topic topic. I did a good job while I was delivering the speech itself. And it was about the clones. And after the speech, Sugas was saying, wonderful speech, but I gave you a clone, not the clone.
That was a good one, yeah. Thanks for sharing, Balaji. Anybody else or want to share any other moments you have had which was not featured in the video?
I think by this video, we have covered that Toastmaster session we used to have, joke of the day. we had that session in our agenda, but somehow we have completely forgotten, but you have reminded that in the session. All the moments were really good. Me calling me was really good.
I think Tiger Simran was also funny.
Yeah.
I think each one of them were good. I think a very good
Right.
composition, Sharath and team. If you see that context, right, it would be more funny. I mean, overall, if you see. And just looking back, these things, wonderful.
Yeah, thank you, Darshan. So one of my favorite was when they said, can you mention the core values, and then everybody is silent, and then suddenly the clip comes where dil beta ja raha hai, kuch to bolo. That has been one of my favorites. So anyways, I hope everyone had a good time. Thank you all for watching this. So now I would like to call upon Toastmaster Bhargavi to take this forward with the proceedings. Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Sharath. That was an awesome video. Thanks to Sharath, Gaurav, and Sudhindra. This brings back a lot of memories. Right. So since it's the 75th session, I want to just ask you guys, do you know when the second innings of Soundbite started?
कोई तो बोलो मेरा दिल बैठा
कुछ तो बोलो, मेरा दिल बैठा था. I should say.
2018 February or March, I think, right?
Yeah, April 2018. That's right, Darshan. Yeah.
Was there a break in between?
Yeah. I mean, earlier, right? Few years back, there was Soundbites session.
Okay.
Soundbites that was formed by Ganesh, Ricardo, Dipanjan, and all of them sort of stopped, and then it was renewed by Prashant, Sudeep, and all of them. So that was just a small trivia, but having all these wonderful sessions so far, from having online sessions to the virtual sessions, I think it's been a wonderful journey, right? We've seen some wonderful speakers and leaders. Thanks to everyone who made this milestone possible. So I think we also had a small gap, right? So with this new year, let's come back with the renewed vigor and energy, delivering loads of speeches. Let's move forward with the vision that all of us mentioned today, to extend the club to as many Toastmasters and help them come out of the fear and become more confident leaders and achieve success. Right. With that, congratulations to all of us here for this milestone meeting. And it's time to twist your tongue. So we have the tongue twister session. So it's very simple, right? I have chosen very simple one-line tongue twisters. So the rule is you just start saying these as fast as you can for 7 times. Okay. I'll just show you, probably have a look at that, and then I'll unshare my screen and you get started. So I'll need volunteers, or else I'll call. I mean, this is no impromptu session, so I think everyone can join in. Yeah, maybe we'll get started. Who wants to volunteer?
I can try.
Okay. This was Sharath, right?
Yeah, Sharath here.
Okay. Sharath.
Okay. Should I repeat it 3 times or something?
Just once, look at it, have a look at it, I'll unshare. Then you repeat it 7 times.
7 times, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Have a nice look at it.
Do we need to remember it, or we can still see it?
Of course.
You have to remember it, huh?
What? I'm going to unshare my screen. You have to...
Oh my God, then 1 second.
But you were looking at the bear or what? Okay. I'm going to unshare, okay?
A big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. Was that 7?
I think 5.
Okay. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thanks, Sharath. Who's the next volunteer?
I will try that.
Okay.
Oh, I got this.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, done, right? I'm going to stop sharing.
Okay. A snake sneaks to seek a snack. 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 Is that done?
Awesome. Okay, who's next? The very simple ones.
Then I can go. Hopefully it is simple.
It is. These are all meant for kids.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Cooks cook cupcakes quickly. Cooks cook cupcake 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 quickly. Done?
So awesome.
That was too quick.
Yeah. It became
I think-
quickly cupcakes and all.
Yeah.
I think Cook baked something else now.
No, cooks cook, not bake.
Okay, sorry.
Cook.
Awesome. Okay. Who's next?
I go.
Okay.
Okay.
So quick, yeah?
We surely shall see the sunshine soon. 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 We surely shall see the sunshine soon.
Looks like it was indeed Chitra's favorite dialogue.
Yeah. I thought she might have prepared for some speech.
Yeah.
Her, like she uses it every day.
Yeah. It's just so easy. Keep flowing.
Chitra, was it quote from someone?
Okay. People who are not on video. Shraddha, Akanksha, one of you?
Yes, I can try next.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Blakes the baker bakes black bread. 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 Blakes the baker bakes black bread.
Awesome. Thanks, Shraddha. Okay. Who wants to try next? I'm going to pick Akanksha. You want to try? Okay.
Oh, it is difficult to remember. The dog changed. Okay. if a dog choose shoes, whose shoes would he choose? If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes would he choose? If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes would he choose? If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes would he choose? If a dog if a dog choose shoes, whose shoes would he choose? If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes would he choose? If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes would he choose? I literally did very bad.
Yeah, it was a nice effort.
Okay, thanks, Akansha. Sorry, I had an issue with my phone. Okay. Okay, who's next? Nitya?
Okay, Bhagavi, let me try. Yeah, okay. 4 fine fresh fish for you, 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 4 fine fresh fish for you. That's
Awesome, Chitra. Sorry, Nitya. I think these bloopers you can count in for the next video. It just seems like you tell this very often to your family. Very easy.
no, the other ones are hard. I feel this was a little easier comparatively.
Thank you, Nitya. Next. Anyone?
Yeah, I would like to go. Okay. Shall I start now? Okay. Fred fed Ted bread. Ted fed Fred bread. 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 Fred fed Ted bread. Ted fed Fred bread.
Awesome.
Can anyone check whether it is correct?
And was
I'm
missing,
checking
ma'am.
everything.
And was missing.
Chitra, we are trying with we are trying. I think that is sufficient. those phrases are very difficult.
Gaurav's expression was like, जो रवीना है वो रवीना नहीं, वो करीना है, जो करीना है वो करीना नहीं, वो रवीना है.
अंदाज अपना अपना, right?
Awesome. Nice. So one last tongue twister. Who wants to give a try? One. Harshita, you want to try? Okay.
Yeah, yes, I will try.
ഇത് പാടായിരുന്നു പാടില്ല
I say I will start. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
That was super, Harshita.
It was very
Very
quick.
nice. Very nice.
I think she hardly used 7 seconds for 7 lines.
Yeah, yeah, it was pretty fast. Good. With all that chicken and kitchen, have you got your lunch ready? Ordered? Good. So yeah, that was the tongue twister section for you guys. There is another section which is spawning a story. Simran will probably tell more about that. I'll hand it over to Simran.
Thank you, Bhargavi. Yeah. Thank you for that tongue twister thing. I didn't nominate myself because my normal voice will be a tongue twister rather than saying a tongue twister. So yeah, we'll the next activity we can start, or we'll have lunch and together. How do you say? Okay, maybe yeah. So it is a old famous game, spinning a yarn. How many of you have heard about it? Spinning a yarn. Anybody? Okay, so spinning a yarn, basically I'll give a brief about it. So it is like there will be 2 people coming for the participation. So I'll give some situation. They have to continue. They have to spin a yarn basically. Let's say somebody, Chitra ma'am, will you be demonstrating with me? I'll just give a small demonstration so that it helps. For an example, okay. I was doing my office work, then suddenly
there was power cut and the servers went down and I thought I can go back home.
But it started raining very heavily. So yeah, so that way it continues. Basically, I said a sentence. Now the other person has to say the sentence in such a way that it connects, and the end result is something, a small story. So that way it is like spinning a yarn, creating, using your creativity skills and bringing out a story. So by this, I'll be giving you some starting sentence. And once I give the sentence, 2 person will be there. First person starts. That person will speak about 30 seconds and I'll display. Once his 30 seconds are over, I'll just change the virtual background, which will be green. Okay, so this 30 seconds will be over. Then the other person has to continue the sentence. And I mean, sentence means that he has to spin a yarn. Basically, he'll be connecting his sentences as per the first person. Then again, if his 30 seconds are over, I'll again go back to like blue, I have gone. Then again, I'll go back to green card. Then the first person gets the chance to speak. He'll speak for 30 seconds and then again the second person. So total comes out to be 2 minutes. So it's a team of 2. Each team has the total time of 2 minutes and each person in that team has total 1 minute but 30 seconds separated. So yeah, this is how the activity is, or the spinning a yarn is. Any doubts? And I mean, any question about it? Or maybe we can start with the event.
Yes, I have.
It's okay if it's okay if the story doesn't make any sense also, right?
Right. It is like, yeah, it is not like it should be some logical thing. It is good. I mean, we need to see how it comes out. This is how the game is. Yeah, Harshita, maybe you had some doubt.
Yeah, for team it is 2 minutes and per person it is 1.5 minutes.
No. It is like team will be having 2 minutes and each person will be having total of 1 minute. 30 second first person, second person 30 seconds. Then it switches back to first person again for 30 seconds and then 30 seconds. Total 2 minutes.
Yes,
Okay,
got
and
it.
I'll be changing the background. So I think it's not a strict line because as you know, it is not a session which we are conducting. So yeah, time, but yeah, I'll display the card so that we can be within the time limit. Okay. So I'll start I'll present my screen. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay. So, who will come as the first team? 2 people nominating themselves, please. I'm not able to see. Yeah, who is coming? Or I'll choose then. I'll choose. Okay. So, how will I choose? I'm not able to see full faces. 1 second, I'll stop sharing first. So first team, I'll select Balaji and Kalyani. Balaji, sir, and Kalyani, you are there?
Yeah, yes, Simran, I'm there.
Okay, so go, good to go. Shall I?
Start first.
Yeah, I'll present my screen. Let me know. Okay, so here are some numbers. You have to choose a number. Based on that, you'll get a starting of the storyline. And then you have to start your story, spinning a yarn, basically. So Balaji and Kalyani, which number you want to go? 1 to 8 it is basically.
7.
Okay, 7. Okay. So we can think of who will be starting. Balaji, you or Kalyani first? Who will be going first? So that there is no confusion once you start with. Okay, that also I'll decide. So Balaji, you start first, then Kalyani will be connecting it. Okay. So your story starts from, it all started when I accidentally picked up the wrong suitcase at the airport. It all started when I accidentally picked up the wrong suitcase at the airport.
So it all started when I accidentally picked up the wrong suitcase at the airport of the New York. That it's not supposed to be seen to others. I have not told. I'm actually a colorblind. And some of the colors like the blue or red, right? Both were coming in the tray and it both looks like red to me. So instead of picking the blue one, I ended up choosing the red suitcase. And obviously, you know what red means. Red means danger. And I was not expecting because I thought it is a blue suitcase of mine. It happened to be the red of someone else. And luckily, I get past the security check in the New York airport. But there were a gang of rowdies were waiting outside the New York airport. The sooner I came out, they took me into the taxi and they have mask on my head.
They took you to the taxi. Then what happened? Kalyani, start.
Yeah, when they took me into the taxi and somehow I'm able to open the suitcase and tried what is there, why these people are trying to kidnap me. When I opened it and it is full of the Covishield or the Pfizer vaccines, where the American people are in the rush of the vaccines. Because of that, I came to know, okay, these people are in need of the vaccines and they kidnapped me and they took all the vaccines which are in that red color suitcase, and finally they gave me one as well so that they can protect themselves from me. Yeah, I'm not able to continue.
Then they protected.
Yeah, they protected. I mean, they gave one vaccine to
Kalyani.
me. Yeah, they gave one vaccine to me, and they took the remaining vaccines with them.
They took the remaining vaccines. Then suddenly, Balaji start.
So they took the remaining vaccines, and I was felt very sad for the US people, because I know from the label that it is sent from the our Prime Minister Modi to the United States government. So somehow my adrenaline went up, and I fighted them, and I blasted them, and I took the medicines. And I am in a way close to US Vice President Kamala Harris. So I gave a call to her. And I said that, hey, this is a gift from India, from Prime Minister Modi to US, to do all the vaccinations in the United States and get away from this COVID situation once for all, and take this. So I went to the White House nearby to the Washington, and then I gave it to the Kamala Harris and took the photo, and I posted in the Instagram.
So thank you, Balaji and Kalyani. Really good to.
Kalyani has to go still.
Okay,
I posted it
Kalyani.
on Instagram.
Okay, okay.
Kamala
Sorry.
Wait, 30 seconds finished, Balaji. I can't continue now.
Actually, it was mix up of 1:30 seconds, so I just took the total time 2 minutes. Yeah, Kalyani, you want to continue? Then we probably post it on the Instagram, and suddenly you can start. Just for 15 seconds. Go ahead, Kalyani. So the post is on the Instagram with Kamala Harris with all the vaccines, and
by seeing that Instagram, right, we got so many likes on that post by all our Bollywood people and all these persons, famous personalities and all that. We had helped, Indian people had helped Americans with the vaccines, and came to know that America is in need of the vaccines this much than India. So yeah, that's it. Simran, thank you.
So Kalyani and Balaji became popular. Yay. This is how the story ended. Thank you, Kalyani and Balaji. It was a wonderful vaccine campaign. It was really good and became famous.
Thanks, Simran. Thank you, Balaji.
Okay. So next, who wants to go? Or again, I'll be choosing. Now I need some volunteering. I want some hands up. And
I can go.
Okay. So you choose who will be going with you. That will be good.
Okay. Chitra?
Okay. So we have Sharath and Chitra. So
I would like Chitra to start.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, sure. Then we go back to the 1 second. I'll share my screen. Sorry. Okay, sure. Yeah. My screen is visible. Okay.
Yeah, it's visible.
So, which number? Anybody?
4.
4. Okay. Okay. So this is how it starts. Took a small break for chit-chatting in cafeteria, but then my manager called me on my mobile.
This doesn't seem fictional at all, first of all. I'm sure it has happened to all of us.
Right.
So I was sitting in our cafeteria on the 6th floor, talking to my friends as usual. And there I see on my phone a call from my manager. Oh, as usual, this person doesn't like me having fun or relaxing even a little bit. Let me answer the phone. Yeah. I've already checked in that bug. Yeah. Oh, what? It shouldn't have been checked in. It was not a bug at all. Yeah, that happened to me a couple of years back when I was an engineer. But what happened after that? Immediately, the FBI descended on our organization. 30 seconds, the green light is on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sharath, continue.
Yeah. So suddenly there was this issue that was happening. So apparently there was the bug was so bad that it started sending out huge secrets about the country to the outside world. So we are working on a very important project for India. And it turns out that the bug started sending out so many secretive information outside, and the manager, the management, everyone got so worried, and they're telling, hey, fix the bug. What is happening? See, you're sending out all the information, and already we are having problems with China. They are already in the border ready to attack. What are you doing? Try to do something about it and stop all your breaks till you fix the problem. So, yeah.
Chitra.
Immediately I get up, but I don't know, I have not written this code. The bug was not introduced by me. What do I do? Oh, okay, let me introduce another bigger bug. Maybe I will leak some other country's secrets through this code. It is very possible, right? Or let me bring down New York Stock Exchange using my code. That way I don't have to worry about simple secrets and country issues when there are so many economies. Okay, I am rambling. Is there a green light? Thank you.
So yes, so suddenly I got this idea. Yes, why not I replace our country's secrets with secret of Pakistan? Let Pakistan's all military secrets go out and then let them get attacked so that, we are on the safer side. So the very important thing here is there's a very important moral of the story. The moral of the story is sometimes the stories are so stupid, they do not have any morals. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Chitra
you
and
for
Sharath.
saving this, Sharath.
So we have already got the moral of the story. That there is no moral. Okay, so we go with the next two participants. Bhargavi, we have got one, and others. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. 1 second. So which number? Which numbers are done? Even I don't know.
I think 4 and 7 are done.
4 and 7 are done. So okay, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 8. Bhargavi and others.
Do you want to choose others?
1. 1.
Okay, 1. Oh, the phone rang. Hello. I said, hello. No one was there. I hung up. All the lights went out.
Okay. So the phone rang and nobody was there. And I started wondering, this is just a spam call. What I always keep getting these calls. Then they will say coronavirus, please stay inside home, but nothing came this time. Even that message was missing. So I started thinking something weird is going on. Now, what happened was I was actually in my new place and we were shifting to this place and nobody was actually occupied in this apartment. So I was the only one. So I was just thinking, what could be going wrong here? So suddenly what happened, all the lights went out. Now this is strange because I'm not just talking about lights at night. It's daytime and there are no lights whatsoever in the outside world. So something strange is going on here, I thought. And why would I get a call? I always thought that there must be some kind of, aliens who are spying my phone. And I think finally we have made contact. So that is where I started checking what was that number I got the call from. And this is where I stopped.
And that number was displaying on the phone.
As unknown. It was displaying as unknown. I was so worried. I didn't know what to do. I look out of the window, it is all dark. Then I tried to switch on the TV and it worked. Then I realized it was a solar eclipse. Then the call came again from this unknown number. Then I picked up the call. And it was some language I couldn't really understand. Somebody was speaking. And all I could hear was, ow. And suddenly I saw something land near the window of my room. I opened the window and I see the aliens. Actually, this was happening in front of me. that the aliens were just standing there with all the guns. I knew I was going to die today. And suddenly, Adarsh.
So there I was thinking, okay, I'm shifting to this new house because there is a lot of noise in my old house, and the windows are right next to the street and there's so much light coming, and I wanted some quiet place for my baby, and this is it. The aliens have come and I won't be able to see my son again. So I go and approach them and they tell me, "Are idiot, we've given you a call now. So if you give us anytime missed call, we can turn off the light such that your son will think it's dark and he will go to sleep." Now, this is what didn't occur to me until then, that, I have been blessed by the aliens. So I thought I should somehow make use of this superpower of turning day into night and night into day, so that I can enjoy this superpower I've been bestowed upon through this random missed call. So there I was, thanking the aliens and taking a selfie. But in that selfie, I see that they were not there, because as soon as I used the selfie camera, it all went dark. So accidentally, it turned out that that was how you actually disconnect this superpower. So I was very disappointed. So there I was, sad, going back. Again, I had to stay up all day and night. So this is when I realized that I have another phone.
You have another phone, Bhargavi. Sorry, it continued for a minute. I was with
I got another phone. What I did was I called to the same other phone from where I got the call, and things got back to normal. And suddenly there was a knock at my door. That's it.
So we've crossed the time limit, right?
Yeah. It will go on.
Thank you, Adarsh and Bhargavi. It was little scary, then funny, then scary, then alien. So it was really good. Thank you. Now next, who will go? Come on.
I would like to go.
Okay, Gaurav and Harshita. And Rakesh. We have Rakesh also.
Harshita and Rakesh can go. I can go next.
Okay, anything. Okay, we have multiple numbers. We can have many rounds. Okay, so yeah, I'll go with Harshita and then Rakesh. Then Gaurav will start. Okay, so Harshita and Rakesh, I'll share my screen.
Simran, so this is only like Harshita and Rakesh are going in this round, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
Harshita and Rakesh. Okay, yes. So I'll present my screen. Let me know once it is visible. Okay. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Yeah. So which number? Anybody?
8.
Number 8. Okay. Okay, so it says, I had to go on stage in 15 minutes and my clothes were ripped and muddy. I had to go on stage in 15 minutes and my clothes were ripped and muddy.
I had to go on stage in 15 minutes and my clothes were ripped and muddy.
Right. So we'll start with Harshita, Rakesh.
I'll start.
Okay. So yes, your time starts.
Can I?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
I had to go on stage in 15 minutes and my clothes were ripped and muddy. And I was sad what I have to do now. There was no proper facility of changing room over there. Ultimately, I reached to a bathroom where I found there was a water facility provided. I started sprinkling all water on my clothes. Anyhow, because of the muddiness and mud, my whole clothes were become brown completely. And then I tried to make those clothes little light shade of brown color. And then I started again sprinkling more water into it. I washed my face. I put some water on my hairs and make the hairs plain. And then, is this time up?
Yeah.
Please?
Yes, I did green. So now Harshita.
Yeah, and I made my clothes little brown colors.
Yeah, then though the clothes are brown, I thought it's okay, like people will understand that I'm having many other things to do, and because of that only my clothes became mud, and I just entered into the stage. Many people are there in front of, as it is a big auditorium kind of thing, and I started taking the mic and all, and I started speaking despite of my clothes. Suddenly, I forgot, when I started speaking, I forgot even that clothes are muddy. And I completed my speech, and I thought to ask the feedback at the end. Then people are, instead of giving feedback, first people are asking me, putting on questions, why your clothes are mud like that? Then I told them during my journey, when I was walking, some vehicle went from beside me, and because of that mud fell on my clothes, and I started like that. People praised me that instead of this also I directly entered the stage and I gave the presentation like that. Continue, Rakesh.
Yeah, Rakesh. Yes.
Yeah, so people told me like that I can enter like that, but I told them that I heard from the organizers that today you have to present yourself in a fancy dress competition. Like, so I came over there, and the topic was given to me: what if any jungle man comes in a good clothing, and how he will react on the stage. So I immediately taken that as a positive way, which vehicle made me muddy. And then I started preparing the speech. I came on stage with the muddy clothes, and then I started giving speech to you people as possible as I can give it to you. To you, Harshita.
Yeah, as it is a fancy dress competition also, I gave with that speech with the dresses only, instead of wearing that particular clothes, but just with the dialogues and some story telling only, I managed that fancy dress thing. So finally, after that, I came to know that during the return journey, I thought again the mud fell on my clothes again for the second time from some same vehicle. Then I thought like, why this vehicle again hitting me with this and all. Then I found that there's some ghost on the vehicle, and it targeted me, and it thought it is pouring mud and dust in my clothes. Then I thought, I asked the ghost, why you are targeting me and you hit this mud and sand on me. Then I thought, then the ghost is saying, I don't like the people who is with good clothes and white dresses and everything. I don't like neatness like that, the ghost told, and so it makes me muddy. Yeah. Thank you. But I managed to give my presentation with that. I'm happy because it did not enter me at all. Really, it just made it muddy. That's all. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Harshita, Rakesh, for this wonderful story. I mean, the moral is, don't lose your spirit. Mud is fine. We can turn it into a fancy dress, or take the address from Harshita. Where is the ghost? Okay, don't go in that place with white clothes. Okay, next, anybody? We'll have this last. So anybody? Gaurav, we have Gaurav, but the next person with Gaurav. You choose Gaurav. That will be good. We have Shraddha. Can we have you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So I'll share my screen again. Okay. So yeah. Which number?
Shraddha, you can choose a number and you can go first.
Yeah, can we go with 2? 2 is not done, I guess.
2 is not done. Okay. Oh, it's a nice one. Huh? 1 second. The princess was sad this day because the princess was sad this day because
Okay. The princess was sad this day because the princess was Rapunzel and she was having a very long hair. But the thing is, like, she wanted to get down her tower, but she saw many enemies standing down and she was not able to come down because the secret of her long hairs was not known to many people. And the secret of that was a secret to reach to the top of the tower. So she had a very important thing to do downside, like she had many dreams, many plans, go play with friends, explore the things, because her mother didn't used to allow her all the day, and that was the day for her. So she wanted to go down, but the situation was not to go down.
I can start, right?
yes, start. Situation was not to go down then.
Yeah, so situation was not good to go down. So what that princess did, she thought it will be good if she invites some of her friends to her castle. So as her hair were long, so she could easily pull them up to her room. So that was a plan. And since they were unable to go outside, they decided, okay, they will watch a series of Avenger movies. The princess is fan of Avengers, and she wanted to become one of them. So she called one of her friend, and her friend was busy on that day because even her friend's mother was not allowing her to go outside. So they were thinking like how that plan can go, and they decided that they can create a bridge from using her hair from Princess Castle to her friend's home so that she can come from there.
Okay, as they decided, their plan worked. Actually, Rapunzel and her friend's tower were like nearby. Her house and her tower were nearby. So just they have constructed a bridge so that her friends can turn up to her home. So finally, their plan worked, and all of her friends gathered in her home. So according to their plan, they watched Avengers, and they enjoyed a lot with lots of popcorn and snacks. And in between, there was a debate. Like, they have completed one series. Now the debate was to start with which series. So that was the debate. So the debate continued, and again they started to fight with her hair. Now you called me and you are not letting me to watch my series.
Okay, so they decided like rather than deciding among themselves, they will call someone. They are in fairyland, so they can call anyone, right? So they said, okay, they will call Modi ji there. So they they did their it's like whatever thing they can do. So they move their wand and they brought Modi ji there, and then Modi ji said, "Dekhiye." Okay, sorry, I'm going in Hindi, so I will not go there. So Modi ji suggested that you should not fight like this. We all are together. We should think about whole community. Rather than watching whole series at a time, you should watch one part and then let your friend watch another part. So like that, when they were thinking, suddenly something happened on that fairyland, and an earthquake came, and that princess fell down from her bed. And when she woke up, she realized, oh, she was dreaming all those things. How come Modi ji and Avengers can come to her castle? So like that, she thought, okay, it was a good dream. I can get another one. So let's not go outside, sleep again. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav and Shraddha. That was really good. So I just thought you will be including, she could not go out because outside there is too much of COVID cases. So she's using her hair to get her friends, hiding from her mother. So nice. Thank you all for making this boring spinning a yarn a really interesting one, because it was a really short sentence to start or to create a story with. But really good. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
I was hoping Modi will come to Fairyland and say Mitron.
I was thinking I will say in Hindi, but I thought it's better. Modi ji also learned English, so let him speak in English.
Right. So we have few guys left from the meeting, is it?
Yeah, some of them.
Okay. Okay. I just had to make I wanted to share one thing related to the IST basically. So this, all of you must have heard about the International Speech Contest, ISC it is, right? Sorry. So basically the area contest or the district level contest, which we have, and finally we go to the international level, right? So it is basically, so there are some sessions which are going on, which are particular to preparing you and preparing you for the IST level competition, and specifically to IST, not the table topic, not the evaluation. It is just the speech, prepared speech contest. So it will be, I'll share the complete agenda, what it is, but I think these sessions are being held or conducted by the area directors. I think, I don't remember the area also, but yeah, it is by the area directors. I'll share that information over the mail. But yes, they are very serious about these sessions, and they want people who really want to compete for the ISC, and they really want to go there. So these sessions will be really nice. I think it has started, but yeah, we are not late enough to join, so we can join them, and we can just start with attending those sessions. So basically they'll help you out in preparing your speeches, or any doubts, clarification, anything needed, they'll be doing it. So let me know anybody who is interested, and they are, I mean, they have this thing in mind that, okay, I'll compete in ISC. So they can really attend these sessions. And I think it will be, the time for these session is basically the odd timings. I mean, not your usual office work hours, so it won't disturb. So maybe you can attend those sessions, and think twice a week it is. And I think it will be really interactive, because definitely they are improving your speech skills. So definitely they'll be asking you to deliver the speech, to come with it, and they'll be improvising it. So it will be a great learning. Anybody who will be interested, they can nominate themselves, and I'll share the list. And then the agenda will be shared, basically not agendas, the schedule will be shared, and you can attend those sessions. So it is open to all, basically. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, that I just wanted to make this announcement before anybody leaves, because it is important, because there might be people who will be interested doing this. Okay, yeah, I think that's it from my side. I'm getting one call which I have to attend. Maybe I'll just join back after that. Thank you so much. Do let me know. I'll share I'll share it over the mail, basically all this information, and then probably you can respond on top of it, all the names, whosoever is interested for it. Yeah. Adarsh, so you're continuously smiling. I am just thinking that my voice is going something bad or what. It is modulation, right? Some modulations are happening. I hope my message was clear. I think ISC sessions, trainings. Okay. Okay, I'll just join back in a minute, maybe. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Everyone's food would have come, right?
Yeah.
So those who have turned off the camera, are they nicely eating, and then
maybe
after that turning on the camera again? Because I just did quite some times.
You would have seen on and off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel bad for Gaurav, who has been there throughout in the video.
It's fine. I will enjoy after the session.
Hey, share the link to that video, man.
Yeah.
Sure.
I think great job, Sharath, Gaurav, and Sudhindra. I think it came out, it was really brilliant. Yeah.
Thank you.
All those reactions which were put in between, right? They added that extra.
Who made the sequence of that video?
All these three guys.
It's really great. Started with me to me and ended with mujhe ghar jana.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks.
I think you guys have gone a long way back and watched so many videos. I think we should appreciate your patience to actually unfollow.
All credit goes to Gaurav. Gaurav was driving it. Okay. For first day, he said, Sudhindra, 1 to 13, you. 14 to 26, Karan.
Yeah, it was really
Right
good.
at the video, they asked us to go through. And, voluntarily used to say, here are my clips. We did not ask, send your snippets. It was like, here are mine. So I was like, okay, fine, wait. Spend some time and add 1 or 2.
Same at that point. Yeah, even great job, Gaurav. Even I
Great
was
job,
like
Gaurav,
feeling
yeah.
a bit lazy. And then I used to think, okay, let me do at least some 2-3 videos. Okay. And then we had this group where we had to post that this video from this time to this time, there's some funny moment, right? That was the first task. So I started, I was feeling very lazy. And then I thought, okay, let me just post. I had done some 3 videos and then I thought, okay, this duration to this duration. Suddenly, Mr. Gaurav comes with this huge list. Video this time to this time funny, this time to this time funny. Then I thought, okay, me and Sudhindra needs to take it more seriously now.
Yeah, but it was collective effort. Like we got a lot of good moments out of it.
Yeah, a lot were there actually. We had to choose it down because already it was coming to, we wanted to keep it around 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes maximum.
So we just
still there
chose
are
only
lot,
limited one.
Yeah, so we already have a good repository.
What you're saying is
another one.
and this is the trailer and movie is yet to be released.
Yeah, and today we come to know for Chitra, timer is a tiger.
Yeah.
We digress.
Anybody wants to share anything?
Yeah, I'd like to share 1-2 sentences if you people don't mind.
Yes.
Yeah, I heard about Swami Vivekananda ji and I heard about the Hinduism. Luckily, I know these things, but I'd really like to share one thing that I already told that it's birthday of Jisa Mataji, Jisao, and she given birth to such a person who kept Hindu people alive ultimately. So I really respect this particular lady who helped us to keep Hindu people in Hindustan. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, it was a new learning for us. Like in starting, I asked why today is celebrated, right? So it was a new learning for me also. I was only aware of National Youth Day.
Yeah, mainly I said it because, you know, when Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was there, the Maharashtra was with Karnataka. And in our history, I learned a lot of name of his soldiers, half of which are from Karnataka.
Okay.
That's a great thing.
So I just now posted the link to the video in the chat. Should be viewable by everyone. Yeah.
Those who have not turned on the video, they are having special food, is it? I wanted to see.
Actually, going on.
Mute also, video off.
Everybody is waiting for 3 and then to start having, right? Is it? I was
good.
thinking on the video we could have
Will
or something
be.
like that.
On video, if we eat, okay. If I eat, then I'll be.
Next funny video episode.
Yeah.
A lot of scope.
It's good. I can do like this and then I can come. This is the good thing. Otherwise, in office, the recording will be there. We have those cameras, right? Recording the sessions completely.
We was conducting the tongue twister session. I was giving a work to my tongue. I was hoping you will not call my name.
Yeah, maybe people are tired with tongue twister, so they went for another exercise of eating.
Right.
Is there an honorable mentions list also that didn't make it to the final cut?
in the
uncut.
video, is it? No. The list was so huge. Actually, it would have come for. We can almost make a movie. We wanted to concise it to.
I think
6
Sharad, you have
minutes.
to release the uncut version, like Zack Snyder,
Snyder
right?
cut, Snyder version. Like.
I mean, it was fun. I mean, even if it was longer, I think you would have enjoyed. Probably for you, it's more work.
Yeah, maybe next time we can.
100th session. We'll have RRR.
Okay.
SSS. Sound bites. Sound bite success. Something.
That will release sooner than RRR.
Right.
I'm actually looking forward when we are going to have in-person sessions, right? I have had this Toastmasters experience only since it started becoming virtual. Before that, I used to know, okay, the room blocking for all that, but I was never part of Toastmasters at that time. So I think that's a different ballgame altogether. That will be all the more nervous, right? If huge crowd is there.
When we used to have session, right, in the hall, I mean, that learning hub, most of the Toastmaster clubs, most of the Soundbite club members will be in cafeteria. I mean, first one to enter will be we, all of us, having food quickly and going to the that learning hub so that we can have our session.
Yeah, right. I always used to know that session is happening, but I never could experience the in-person sessions. And I think even preparations need to be much better there, right? Here, at least you can keep something on the second screen or something like that. There it is, you just can have this cue cards, I guess, right? Or a printout people used to keep in the hand, just with bullet points or something. But that's good, actually. You need to be better prepared. And otherwise, we can have the whole script also in the other screen and just read it, right? Yeah.
I just remember for my first speech, it was like I delivered it in our learning hub. And when I remember that time, I feel like I was too fast at that time. So I believe when we go for in-person meeting, then so many things will happen in your body also. You will feel all those stuff. Not just about remembering the content, but you will feel like, okay, something is happening.
I know.
Our clock is same, I mean, synchronized, 2:59, huh?
Yeah.
And we are staring at that watch so that once it becomes 3, we'll decline. It was really good. We had a great session.
Fun session. Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you all.
It was a fun session. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Have a great week.
Yeah. Thank you,
everyone. Have a great year.
Thank you.
Have
Bye.
a great year.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.